smooth, poreless surface, flawless complexion, and a natural glow that makes our skin look almost glass-like. I'm sure you have heard about this Korean skin trend, but today I am going to show you an Indian rendition of it. Hi guys, मैं हूँ अंकिता और आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ मेरा इंडियन ग्लास स्किन रिचुअल। वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमारे बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पे रिंग करें ताकि आप हमेशा नोटिफाइड रहोगे विद ऑल आवर लेटेस्ट वीडियोस। सबसे पहला स्टेप इन एनी स्किन केयर रूटीन इंक्लूड्स क्लेंजिंग द फेस। However, the glass skin ritual requires double cleansing followed by layering of lightweight hydrating products to help create the appearance of glowing dewy skin. So start off by first breaking down dirt and buildup that may be lingering on your face. For that, मैं use कर रही हूँ this micellar water. It's the simple daily skin detox oil be gone micellar water. इसे cotton pad में pour करूँगी and then I'll run it all over my face and neck. This alcohol-free micellar water has no harsh chemicals. Instead, it has skin-loving ingredients like zinc, thyme, and witch hazel. It cleans the pores, takes off makeup, and keeps the skin mattified. So once that's done, अब आती है बारी for the second part of cleansing. Here, always opt for a gentle foam wash or cream cleanser. So this one right here is super gentle on the skin. It's the Pairs Pure and Gentle Daily Cleansing Face Wash Ultra Mild Cleanser with Glycerine. इसमें है pure glycerine that provides hydration, making your face feel silky smooth while it stays clear and radiant. Although it's mild, it is strong enough to remove any kind of dirt and skin impurities. Just take a small coin-size amount and apply it on a damp face and massage it. इस क्लेंजर की खास बात ये है कि it is soap free, which means that it is not going to strip off the natural oils of your skin, and that is how it will ensure that your skin looks radiant. The second step in my glass skin ritual is to use a gentle exfoliator. Exfoliation बहुत ही जरूरी है एक smooth texture achieve करने के लिए that acts as a base of the glassy complexion. Any build-up or dirt and dead skin that forms on your skin gets lifted off by a good exfoliator. मैं suggest करूँगी to opt for a mild scrub जिसमें hydrating ingredients हो, which helps to rejuvenate the skin like this one. It's the Lakme Blush and Glow Green Apple Apricot On Skin Deep Cleansing Gel Scrub. इसे gently skin पे massage करें for about 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure to get to the tricky parts like the sides of the nose, chin and forehead where the pores are usually blocked and to get every last bit of oil and grime off your face. This gel-based cleanser is packed with the goodness of green apple which contains antioxidants that help in cell rebuilding and cell rejuvenation. इसके अलावा it also has apricot extracts which is an antioxidant that shields skin from the damage of pollution and free radicals, therefore improving skin's appearance. The next step is to apply a hydrating serum on my face while my skin is still slightly damp. क्योंकि serums में active ingredients होते हैं जैसे कि hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, niacinamide and ceramides that are designed to target specific skin issues such as wrinkles, collagen depletion, dehydration, dark spots and hyperpigmentation, sun damage, dullness and acne. Regularly applying serums can boost your skin's resilience, making it look hydrated, plump, radiant, glowy and glass-like. The serum I have been loving lately and the one that I think is for anyone looking to get that glass-like skin is this one. It's the Pond's Bright Beauty Spotless Glow Niacinamide Serum. Take a few drops on your palm and pat it onto the face. ये फास्ट absorbing non-sticky और non-greasy serum में 3 key ingredients है जो कि एक glowing glass skin look देगा. First, it has Glutaboost C in it, जो एक potent antioxidant है that will help improve skin's texture, making it softer and smoother over time. Secondly, it has niacinamide which will help build keratin in the skin and in turn brighten your skin complexion while minimizing the appearance of pores. And lastly, hyaluronic acid which helps retain moisture while smoothing out fine lines for a healthy glowing skin. Before I move ahead guys, if you want to see more trending skincare videos, then tap on the eye icon on the top right. सबसे आखिरी step है moisturization. Our skin needs to be moisturized from the outside for it to get that reflective glass-like effect. Even if you have oily skin, you need to apply a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer that doesn't clog pores but does the job. लेकिन ये ध्यान रखें कि मॉइस्चराइजर चुनते वक्त कभी भी ग्रीसी और स्टिकी मॉइस्चराइजर फॉर्मुलेशन ना चुनें, as they might make your skin look oily. My go-to moisturizer is this one. It's the simple kind to skin replenishing rich moisturizer. ये एक परफेक्ट ब्लेंड है ऑफ विटामिन्स एंड स्किन लविंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज रखता है फॉर अप टू 12 आवर्स. It contains glycerine, allantoin, provitamin B5 and bisabolol, which when put together is going to hydrate, soothe, nourish and purify the skin. I like to mix a moisturizer with this luminizing moisturizer for that glass-like effect. It's the Lakme Lumi Cream. It won't just hydrate the skin, but will also give an instant 3D highlighted effect, thanks to the Korean pink pearl extracts infused in it. Apart from all these steps, make sure to protect your skin from the sun and the subsequent free radical damage if you want to achieve flawless, even tone and glowy skin. Invest in a good sunscreen of SPF 30 or more and wear it every day all through the year whether you go out or not. And for extra beauty benefits and a hydration boost, include a face mask in your skincare regimen as it not only hydrates your skin but also provides vitamins and minerals and improves the overall health of your skin, making it plump and glossy. तो ये था मेरा Indian glass skin ritual. Remember that there is no shortcut to achieving flawless ethereal looking skin. It requires consistency and commitment to your skincare regimen. जाने से पहले बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पे रिंग करें to stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye.